Go ahead. Let's go home. Let's take the trail. You ready? Okay. Go ahead. Okay, keep going. Okay. Oh, not that way. The trail's this way. Follow the trail. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, wait, we've got a fork in the road. That way? Or that way? Which way, Gigi? Which way? Okay, which way? Which way? Oh, man, that's not one of the options. That's where the squirrels eat their nuts. Squirrel Nut Cafe. Okay. They didn't pick up after themselves either. Gigi. Okay, which way? Which way? She's at the fork. Which way, Gigi? That way? Or that way? Okay, let's go. Which way? Take away. Take away. Which one? This way. Okay. Oh. Gigi feels like she's up north. The snow is almost over her head. Not quite. She can still see around. But her pops dug this trail for her that goes all the way through the courtyard, all the way over to the other side, so she can do her business outside and not have to jump through the snow like a rabbit. Right, Gigi? Are you a rabbit? Nope. You're a dog. Okay, let's go. Let's go. No, go, go. Oh boy. Here's a clearing. We've come to a clearing. Another crossroads to the sidewalk. Or back home. Which way should we go? Which way? Which way, Gigi? Wanna go home? Wanna go home? Hear the birds? They're happy it's sunny. Me too. Okay, okay. Oh, we just came to another Squirrel Nut Cafe. Bird's right above us. Can't go through there, Gigi. It's too much snow. What? She's gonna try? Oh my gosh. She's gonna try. She's in there. It's not too bad. She can walk right on top of it. Not me. I want to sink. Oh boy. They only sunk a little. Okay. 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 Keep going, keep going. No. Okay, let's go inside. She has to check out where the squirrels eat their breakfast. Checks out all the mess they made. Sometimes she pees on their nuts. Whoa. Taken out of context, that could sound pretty bad. But our minds don't go there. No, they don't. Ready to go in the house? I am. It's cold. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. made it! Yay! Good job, Gigi. Good job.